Let's take a few minutes to review the plan of care. The plan of care comes from your shift assessment, and you can make changes daily or every shift. Right now we're in the process intervention screen and we're highlighted on plan of care, so I'm going to type DN to document now and hit enter. You can see there's 4 different sections in the plan of care. We only want you to choose between 2 and 4 problems in every patient's plan of care. So we are going to pick under functional, we're going to choose pain, and under health, behavior, problem, risk, we're going to pick substance abuse. And then we're going to say end. Now it's brought us into our pain. Up in the top left corner, I see the word pain. So it's asking me my target date that I'm going to improve or resolve my patient's pain. I'm going to say my target date is 3 days from today. So I'm going to type T plus 3 and then hit enter. Now it's asking me my pain problem is, I'm going to say deteriorating. Then it takes me into the pain problem has. This should only be filled out when that problem has been resolved. So we're going to leave that blank. Please do not make any comments in the pain problem comment box. Now click on end and it brings us into substance abuse. So it asks the same question. What is our target date? I'm going to say my target date is tomorrow. So I'm going to hit T plus 1 and hit enter. And my problem is stabilizing and maintaining. Again, I'm going to skip the has, and I'm not going to make any comments. And I'm going to hit end. It asks me if I want to file. I say yes. And then it asks me if I want to add these problems to the plan of care. So I'm going to type Y for yes and hit enter. And all I need to do on this screen is hit F12 to file and save. Now you can see on your plan of care that you have 2 problems. You have pain and substance abuse. If I want to go in and document again, I'm going to type DN for document now. And we'll pretend it's 2 days later and my patient's substance abuse problem has been resolved. So I'm going to click on substance abuse and I'm going to uncheck substance abuse and hit end. Now it brings up a pop-up screen. The pop-up screen says this problem has been removed, but no actual outcome has been documented. Are you sure you want to remove it? We're going to say yes. Another pop-up comes up that says please document the actual outcome on the following screen. Now this is the time we filled out the problem has section. I'm going to say my problem has improved and resolved. And then another pop-up comes up and says document actual outcomes only upon completion of problem or patient discharge. Are you sure? Yes. And then it reminds you that this problem needs to be completed in the process intervention using change status. We'll review that in a moment. Click OK and hit end. Now it brings me back into my other problem, which is pain. This problem has not resolved, so I'm going to say that I'm still stabilized and maintained, and hit end. This will erase the substance abuse answers. Are you sure? This box always confuses me. The only way I remember this is that the no is already highlighted, and I know that's the one I want to choose. And then we say OK, it will put your answers back for substance. We hit yes to file. Now we're back on the process intervention screen, and remember it reminded us that we need to change the status of substance abuse because we removed it from the plan of care. So to change status, you can type CS. It's on your verb strip on the top on the right hand side under more, change status. So change status. All you need to do here is delete the A for active and type in a C for complete and hit enter and file. Next time you log into your process intervention screen, the substance abuse section will be gone. We're back at the process intervention screen and we're going to type DN to document now. The pop-up screen that comes up says this problem has an actual outcome documented but is still active in the plan of care and in process interventions. That means that someone did not change the active status to complete after they documented the has. So it asks, is this problem still needed in the plan of care? The answer is no. And then it says, please complete socialization authorization in the process intervention using change status. So we're going to say, okay. We're going to continue our regular documentation for plan of care. So I'm going to keep only substance abuse. I'm going to document my is and hit end. And I'm going to file and save. And now I'm going to change that status. So socialization authorization. I need to highlight that, CS for change status, hit enter, delete the A for active, and type a C for complete, and hit F12. And file. Now, if I go into the plan of care, document now, it brings me right into the plan of care, and I only have substance abuse as my problem.